Hello, friends! My name is Oliver, and today we are going on a wonderful adventure. We will walk through the forest and find different animals and things. But wait, we need to count them together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Look at this tree, what do I see? One little bird is singing for me. Tweet, tweet, flying high. Can you count it? Give it a try. Down on the ground, hopping so fast. Two little rabbits are running past. 1, 2, oh what fun! Counting with me one by one. Over the hill, near the tall tree, 3 big mushrooms are waiting for me. Red and round, big and bright. Let's count them left to right. Splash in the pond, oh what a sight. 4 small frogs jump left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopping, hopping, hear them roar. Look at the sky, flying so free. 5 blue butterflies dance for me. Flap, flap, wings so wide. Can you count them by my side? High on the branch, oh what a fix. 6 noisy squirrels play little tricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jumping up, picking sticks. 7 red apples hang on a tree, so round and juicy, just for me. Let's count them 1 to 7. Oh, they look like bites from heaven. 8 little ants march in a line, carrying food, they look so fine. Step by step, left and right, marching forward, one aside. 9 yellow flowers bloom so bright, swaying gently in the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, alive. 10 bright stars twinkle at night, shining above, oh so bright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we adore.
Now you know how to count from 1 to 10, but the forest has so many more wonders. Would you like to come back for another adventure next time? See you soon, my little explorers. Bye-bye.